I think one of the surprising things is it comes off so easy and just smooth and simple, and what you hear on the radio is just a lot of fun, but it's actually, there's a lot of stress, there's a lot of things that can go wrong, but I think when you work hard at it and you perfect that craft, you want the listener to feel fun and like we're all best friends and that there's no drama. Sometimes you're just in a room with a microphone, and after you do this for so long, you kind of forget that you're talking to all of these people. So it's definitely rewarding. I mean, all the stress pays off when you get to talk to the different people that are listening, especially with social media. It's so fun. I mean, they'll just reach out on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whatever they choose. And the fact that we're, getting them through the insane traffic in Austin, or they're just happy, or they're crying with us, laughing with us, relating, it just makes it all worth it. I mean, it's honestly the coolest feeling. And I think, it pays off, the stress. And when you know that people are enjoying and it's making their day better, it's just all worth it. I always wanted to be in some sort of aspect of the entertainment industry. I really thought I would end up being a TV reporter, and I started out like that. And I was covering murder cases and things like that, and I just felt like, oh, it wasn't me. I just like lighthearted, happy. That's my happy place. I feel like that's one of the things about this business. It is never repetitive. It is always something different, whether it's a technical issue that keeps you on your toes, whether your, story changes at the last minute, you gotta wing it, whether just anything, celebrities doing different things. That's, I think, probably one of my most favorite things about this business. You never feel bored. It's always different. And if you screw up this day, you can kind of pick it up and it's forgotten about the next day. So, no, I think that's definitely one of my most favorite things. It's always challenging, it's always different, and it keeps it exciting, at all times. I was really a busy student. I was also a cheerleader at Texas Tech, and I feel like I left really prepared, and if nothing else too, I think I got really good education in all facets of the different types of media that you can go into, and I feel like it really helped me open my eyes of what I felt good at, what I felt like I could excel at, and just where I wanted to be. One of the biggest influences was internships, and even now when I am speaking to students or people aspiring to be in the media business, and even just college in general, whoever, I feel like internships are numero uno. It is so important, and I feel they were really supportive of that. And I think that was great. It was I would go, intern at KCBD, and then I'd have questions or whatever that maybe I was didn't want to ask the actual news director. So I'd go back and talk to different teachers, and I just thought it was a really good thing. It's almost like you're supporting each other. You're getting an experience with the real world, but yet you have the support of your teachers to kind of still guide you and help you. And I just really appreciated that. But I love the crap out of this business. And I just want to continue to just be good at my craft and do bigger, better, more. I'm Ann Hudson, and I am a radio and television personality. I wonder if I still know the fight song. Fight, Raiders, fight, fight, Raiders. Fight for the school you love so dearly. Oh, we'll hit 'em high, we'll hit 'em low. Whoa, we'll kick that ball across that goal. Tech, fight, fight, we'll boost your name. Wait, is that right? Fear and shame, fight for the scarlet and the black. We will hit 'em, we will wreck 'em, hit 'em, wreck 'em, Texas Tech. And the victory bells will ring out. Woo! Doing some of my cheerleading moves. Cut that.